Hey there, CS210 students. So in this recording, I'm going to go through the details of using Southern New Hampshire's Codio to complete work. So first thing is when you access the course, if you click to the table of contents, you will see a link for the Codio virtual desktop. So you click that and you should have a very similar display here. And we're going to click this Codio learning environment right here. And so that will eventually open up. And in there, you will open up a virtual machine. So the Codio environment, you are accessing a virtual machine. This is not using any of your computer resources. So Codio is independent of your computer. So regardless of how fast or slow your computer is, Codio is going to work on its own. Uh, if you're accessing Codio on a Sunday night when everybody else is doing work on Southern New Hampshire stuff, chances are pretty good this is going to be pretty slow. So using Codio, you need to be forewarned, is not going to be the fastest. And again, it has nothing to do with your system resources. So once I'm into Codio, you can see right here that they have Visual Studio installed here. So you can go ahead and just double click the Visual Studio icon there. So we'll go ahead and open up Visual Studio. And here is the opening screen. So we'll go ahead and come over here, click Create a New Project. And very important, you need to make sure you select languages. You want to select C++, and you'll choose console app each and every time. And so here's where you name your project. So, if it's project 1 or debugging assignment, whatever it is, I'll just call this Hello World for now. Note the location where it's going to get saved. So this is going to save it to the source repos directory. And so I'm also then going to put in here the name of the project. Get this cleaned up. And so I've got the project name Hello World. I need to make sure that I know where it's going to get saved. This location is just fine. And we click Create. Again, this will take just a little bit amount of time. And great, we have a C++ project. You can see that it starts out with a CPP file. And if I come up here, I can click the green Run button. And it wants me to sign in. I don't have to sign in. Close. Build it. Don't need no AI. And it is building in the background. Here it goes. And eventually when this runs, we should see a console with Hello World printed in it. And great, there it is. So again, you can do all of your development work here. And let me minimize. So two things. One, if you forget where you save it, you can always right-click the solution and go to Open Folder in File Explorer. And so you can see we are in the repos. Right here it is. So we would actually go up to the repos, and this is the folder right here that you would submit. So we can right-click it, send to compressed zipped folder. And it's not cooperating because I have it open in Visual Studio right now, but I can zip it from right here, and then you can upload it right here within Codio. Just go to the web browser, you can see Chrome's installed, and you can go to the Brightspace, log in, and you can submit it from here. I believe, I don't use Codio all that often. I believe that you can set this up with OneDrive, and you could access OneDrive if you wanted to share the project between multiple computers. My recommendation is this: if you're going to use Codio, just stay on Codio. If you're going to use your own computer, just stay on your own computer. That way you don't have to worry about moving files around. The OneDrive is a helpful way to do this, but my recommendation is just to pick one and stick to it. So again, we can open up Visual Studio, perform all of our work, and we can then submit it right directly from here. All right, that's going to do it for this one. I will catch you next time.